Hey guys, you ever have those parts that have eluded you for years? You want it badly, but you keep missing it, or you can't even find it. You know, you search and search. You almost give up. And then one day the planets align and all your dreams come true. This is a part that I've been searching for a decade. This is a part that will literally change the future of my 4AC. Can you make it out yet? Let's turn it this way, shall we? You know, it is... You know, I always used to think there was a bunch of you-know-what when people say you can make your dreams come true. You know what? I full-heartedly believe that statement. I finally have one. It's all mine. It's a dual Sidedraft manifold. It's mine. It's all mine. I can't believe it. I can't believe I found one. And what's even more amazing is this one's the one made by TRD. The Dual Makuni kit by TRD. From the ones that I've read online, now this is really sparse information. You have this and bits and pieces all over Japanese sites from like a decade ago. From my understanding, the TRD one does not have the TRD designation. It has a part number that begins with 0101, and it has the setup on top for a Makuni linkage bar, which this has. So I have the real TRD Sidedraft manifold for the 4AC. I've been trying to find this damn thing for a decade, and it feels so good to finally have one. There you have, folks. Dreams do come true. Yes! I can't believe I found one. Oh my god, and the planets aligned. I was able to purchase it because I had money. I am so unbelievably happy. It's all mine. I'm not gonna leave it on because I'm gonna be laughing too much, but this is Averaji signing off.